In today's video, I'll be making bread with my 7 years old son. This is his first time making bread with me and see the outcome of what he did. At the same time, we'll be cooking ewa agoyin. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Hi family, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing fine. If it's your first time coming across my channel, my name is Tammy and you're welcome to my channel. Like I've missed you guys so much. I didn't really post like that last week because I was so busy at the same time. I was so stressed. Yeah. So I was like, okay, let me take some day off. Although I'm dropping short videos, yeah, because I don't want you guys to feel like where is Tammy. So I'm going to prepare food with my baby boy, as I said earlier, but I want to pack all the dishes I washed last night while I get everything ready. The day I filmed this video was Saturday. Yeah, so I'm going to drop it for you guys today while we get everything ready. Yeah, so I'll go on and prepare my ewa going first so that as they were going, it's getting ready. Our bread is going to get ready asap. So this is my ingredient for ewa agoing. I have my what is it, crushed pepper, and I'm adding some garlic powder, curry powder, salt, and some chicken flavor. You blend everything together. Then you get ready for your ewa agoing stew. To make ewa agoing is so easy and so easy. Like so that is, let me say, so simple for me to make. Yeah, I first test the beans if it's soft, and I add some sugar, just small sugar. Then I'll turn it together and I will add water, enough of water to let it cook well. Then I'll cover it. Then I'll go and get my onions ready. I have to cut my onions this way. If you are making and we're going to always chop your onions this way. Then you get ready and add your palm oil. You have to use palm oil if you are cooking and we're going still. You cannot use groundnut oil or vegetable oil to make a going soup, but you can mix the two together as I'm doing here. So I'll add my onions, my chopped onions, then I will let it fry well. And yeah, like I love it while going so much. Oh my goodness sake, I love it so much, and my family love it so much. Like that is one of our favorite dishes in this family. Yeah, so I'm trying to get my bread ready. I really didn't film from beginning how I mix it. So this is my ewa going stew. I'm getting that ready and I'm getting my bread ready at the same time. And as I was doing that, my baby was like, "Mama, can I help you?" I was like, "Okay." Like it's his first time helping me in the kitchen. Anytime he hovered to help me, I was like, "No, you can't do it." I don't know that this boy is looking at how I'm doing it. And he does it perfectly. Is it does it or did it? Anyone? Like, oh my goodness sake. It came out perfectly. Look at the how as I look the way he's rolling it. When he roll it finish and he chop it, oh my god, I was like, oh wow, look at that. I was still thinking that it's so small that I don't want him to stay in the kitchen because I'm afraid that it might get burnt. Like, I was like, okay, okay. So I let him finish all the remaining one. I was like, why don't you even allow you to do it? When he finished, he was like, Mama, my hand, my shoulders is weakling me. See the daddy. I don't know the children and the daddy. Whenever I'm mixing dough like this, they will always come to take out of the dough, raw flour. And they will be eating it. I was like, okay, me, I cannot eat something like that. So, unless when I taste it, as in if I want to taste it to know if everything is okay. But me taking dough like that and be eating it, I don't know how all of them does that. So, and our dough, our bread is ready, and I'll go on and put it in the oven so that it can cook. I put it in a 180-degree for just 30 or 25 minutes, and our bread ready. Guys, I don't used to buy bread anymore. I'm telling you. Someone said you are not a professional making bread. I said I will just own a bakery. So I was trying to whenever I'm cooking, like I'll just give it clean straight, unless I'm so tired or I'm so weak. You guys can say it for my voice. Your girl is not feeling herself like that, but we move, yeah. So I'm trying to clean all the dishes I use while my bread is getting ready in the oven, so that everything can get ready at the same time. I'm still doing my ewa going still there, and my ewa going itself, and I'll clean everywhere so that when we eat, and I'll know that okay, everywhere is cleaned. Then yeah, oh my goodness, this food is everything. I don't want to use the word worse because it's still everything. Oh my gosh. Like anytime we want to make food like this, I love to make fresh food on Saturday for the family. And here is my ewa going. I'll just use my spoon to press it so that it can get softer. Assuming someone that is selling this ewa going, they will have to add water so that they can have some gain. So here is my stew, and yeah, my goodness, look at this bread. Like, look at this bread. Tell me, why will I use money to buy bread again? I won't. Like, oh my god, this bread, just take one, take a ewa going, and you are good to go. Without even using anything to eat it, you can take your milk or your tea and fill it by yourself. Like, it's so hot. So I have to taste. When I tasted the bread, I was like, oh, because it's so delicious. Oh my goodness, like it's so yummy. So I love the bread. I love the outcome. I love everything about the food. You guys don't mind my voice. I'm not feeling myself like that. Yeah. So I was trying to turn it again to show you guys what it looks like, but it's burning my hand. Yeah, look at this. Oh my goodness sake. If you make this by yourself, what are you going to eat with it? Back in the school that time, during that time, whenever I went to school, I always buy ewa agoyan bread, because that's ewa. Like if you're in Nigeria, or you live in Nigeria, or you school in Nigeria and you did not eat ewa agoyan bread, oh, go back to school. Yeah, oh my goodness, like you miss, oh my god, this ewa god that I'm cooking now, I've been cherishing it since when I was in school back then, and here I am cooking it all by myself with the same taste, the same value. And yeah, so I'm using this opportunity to remember you guys once again that our giveaway is going to come on the 24th, so stay tuned and I'll see you guys later.